Inquiry. Scientific inquiry is the diverse ways that scientists study the natural world and propose explanations based on the evidence derived from their work. Aspects of scientific inquiry include exhibited curiosity of the natural world, observe, infer, and predict, define and propose questions within the necessary background knowledge, use previous research and understanding, gather and analyze empirical evidence, propose possible explanations based on data, consider new evidence, and communicate explanations.
On the left, scientists from all over have begun to notice a rise in sea turtle deaths around the world in the past few years. This curiosity was sparked significantly on the California beaches and the coast of La Paz, Mexico. On the right, scientists have been noticing excessive droughts and large water loss throughout the western United States. The landscape has become greatly affected, sparking scientists' curiosity. To the left, using their curiosity, scientists began to look further into the turtles' deaths. They observed that the turtles seemed to be unable to dive into waters to catch food. This inability was causing them to starve. They inferred that this inability and the spike in turtles' deaths were somehow linked. To the right, the Scripps Institution of Oceanography at the University of California, San Diego have decided to delve deeper with their curiosity. Researchers from the Institute observed that 63 trillion gallons of water are lost from drought. They also noticed a 15-millimeter tectonic uplift, inferring that this was due to the decreased amount of water.
On the left, although they attempted to make some connections, they were left without answers. This led to their posed question of why are so many sea turtles dying on the west coast? On the right, observing that all this water is being lost and the Earth's surface is rising, researchers have posed the question, what is the connection between the drought and the rise in the Earth's surface? On the left, looking into past findings, research teams recalled that more than 120 billion plastic bags are used in the U.S. and then disposed incorrectly. This causes the bags to be harmful to marine animals. In many parts of the ocean, there is 6 times more plastic than plankton. In addition, plastic can take 1,000 years to decay. On the right, they looked at past levels of the Earth's surface to see how much the drought level has been changing. The highest uplift within the Earth's surface was in the mountains in California. Looking at past data, they noticed there was usually a large amount of water in those mountains.
On the left, after recalling any previous research, the scientists went on to find empirical evidence of their own. They did a total of 370 autopsies of deceased sea turtles. Of those 370, they found that 1 in 3 leatherback sea turtles had plastic in their stomachs. On the right, needing to expand on this information, researchers used GPS stations to measure the tectonic plate level to see how high the ground has been rising. The results showed patterns within the most recent years of the rising Earth's surface coinciding with the loss of water. On the left, using this information, scientists conclude that the spike in sea turtle deaths is due to vast amount of plastic in the environment. One sea turtle they autopsied on had 317 pieces of plastic in their stomach. This plastic is very harmful, for it blocks their digestive tract. Food becomes trapped in their stomach, releasing gases within their digestive system. These gases cause them to be buoyant with an inability to dive for food, causing them to starve. On the right, connecting the drought to the increase in Earth's surface, researchers have proposed that the loss of water is due to the lack of snow and rain with the recent climate changes. This loss of water is causing the Earth's surface to rise.
On the left, new evidence that scientists also began to consider was that the toxins in the ocean from the plastic were also proving to be dangerous to humans. When plastic gets into the ocean, it acts as a sponge, absorbing many harmful chemicals. As the ocean life gets in the plastic, the chemicals are now in them as well, harming humans when they eat these animals. On the right, scientists believe that due to the increasing climate change and the heat, there is a greater risk for loss of water than before the 21st century. You can see in the image how much mountains are downsizing due to this global warming. This evidence could be leading to the increased droughts. On the left, with these findings, scientists are focusing mostly on raising awareness for these animals. Research groups from all over, including La Paz, Mexico, are creating awareness videos to spread the word of this plastic destruction. On the right, results of this study have been supported by the U.S. Geological Survey. It appeared in the August 21st online edition in the Journal of Science. Researchers will continue to measure the Earth's surface through GPS method, along with keeping track of drought levels.